Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Beyond the Screen. Today I am going to teach you how to make pizza very easily. It's not a very big patty. There's ingredients what I taken: cheese, tomato sauce and everything is there. I will keep the ingredients on my description. Look at that. 1 kilo of wheat flour and half teaspoon of yeast, 1 tablespoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Now you make it mix very well and keep 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Mix it very well like this and mix the water. Look at that. Then you can mix it by hand and then finally you can separate it. I already separated by around 75 grams of balls because I'm going to make a small pizza. If you want to make big pizza, you can separate by 440 grams one bowl. Look at that. This is the ingredients what I taken: cheddar cheese and everything. I will give you all the ingredients by my description box. Go through that, then you can take one idea. Look how I stretch the pizza. Then I will add the olive oil like this. Take a small brush and spread everywhere like this. Now you can put tomato sauce and spread everywhere like this. Look at that, very easy. Keep in your mind, if you not like to eat too much tomato sauce, don't put too much. Then you can put mozzarella sauce, spread everywhere, throw everywhere like this. Look at that. Then finally you can add onion. Look, I will apply for all the pizza: mozzarella cheese, onion and bell pepper. I will put like this. Then it's coming like another taste. Look, now I'm going to add green bell pepper. I already taken 2 colors of bell pepper, one green color, one yellow color. Applied like this. It's very easy and simply method. Then I'm going to apply prawns. This is already boiled by hot water. Then it's become clean. Now I will add cheddar and mozzarella cheese together. This cheese will give you another taste. You can add cheddar a little bit more like this. Look at that. Then I will going to add oregano. This is important for the cheese pizza because oregano will give you the original Italian pizza taste. Look at that. I have 2 kind of oregano. I'm adding both. Even if you want to add both, you can add. Otherwise you can add only one of oregano, Italian herbs. Then I will going to make another pizza. This is vegetable pizza. I will add big piece of onions and this is I'm going to make with salmon fish. Adding bell pepper, onions, 2 kind of bell pepper I will going to add. Look how beautiful. Now I am going to add salmon fish. Salmon fish is very healthy and very tasty. I'm going to add everywhere salmon fish. I made only small pizza because I'm not going to eat more, so I can eat one time many kind of taste, because that's why I'm making a small pizza. Now I'm going to add cheddar cheese and mozzarella cheese together on the top. When it's cooking by oven, that will melt and cheese mix with fish also. So now I'm going to add oreganos. Look at that. I will add a little bit more oregano. Then taste coming very it's like a Italian taste. Very good taste. Now I'm going to make vegetable pizza. Look at that. How to do it. Keep in your mind, your oven must make heat before you made the pizza. The oven should be ready before the pizza will keep in the oven. So now I will show you, after finish my pizza, I will show you how to keep on the oven. Your oven heat must be around 220 degree. Then you can make it ready before. Then you can keep in the oven all the pizza around 5 to 10 minutes. Then pizza become a original Italian pizza. This is very easy. Look at that. I will keep it to warm. Then after 6-7 minutes, look, my pizza, it's already ready to eat. Yummy. Let's see. Thanks for watching. Keep in your mind, subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.